All right, I'm back and the fuel tank is securely mounted. I had to go through and loosen all of the mechanical joints here. Oh, that one's not tight. All right, I gotta go back and tighten those. So I had to loosen these two down here, in here. I had to pull the pins and squeeze the fuel tank in. This is the correct distance away from the center cross member. I'm going to go around to the other side here. All the bolts on this area are tight. I had to loosen these two. There are two more under here. You can see them. There are two here. And these two here had to be loosened so that the arms can be moved around. There's just enough room for me to get at the outlet of the gas tank. So I'll need to find a rubber hose there, and then a solid hose. A solid steel line comes forward to the external fuel filter. And I have the shut off and all that original material for here. So while I was off camera, I went ahead and installed the floor to the toolbox. It's pretty spacious in here. It's hard to see, but it's black. And here's the floor underneath. And what happened with this was I'd taken a whole bunch of material to the sandblaster, and they thought this was part of a 1968 Chevelle Supersport, and they sandblasted and painted it. Or they didn't paint it, they powder coated it. And I came home all excited. This was about a year ago. Came home all excited, and it went with a pile of bed parts, because this bed is a KD bed, knockdown. You can take it apart. And I got to the end and I'm like, where's my toolbox? And I called down there and they go, oh, we have a piece of flat metal and we powder coated it. Come and get it. So I'm gonna leave it black. It's all right. A lot of the stuff from the factory was painted black. Most of it anyway. It was a protective color. But here you can see all the damn carriage bolts I had to use to get this wood down. God, I'm so sick of carriage bolts. Anyway, so that's it. I gotta set the bed back down on the chassis and take a rest. So thanks for tuning in, and have a great day. See ya.